How to pay with gift card on Shein application. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can pay with gift card on Shein application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Shein application in a mobile device and make sure to log in into your account. After that, you have to browse and add your desired items to your cart. So search through the cart or search through the items and choose your preferred item and add that item to your cart. After that, from this home page, tap on cart at the bottom right corner. Now select the items that you want to check out. After that, tap on checkout from the bottom right corner again. And fill in or confirm your shipping address under the shipping address. Now scroll down a bit to the payment options, and here you have to look for an option that says gift card, and it is right here. Tap on it. Now you will be taken into here where you have to enter your card number. So enter the gift card number and under that enter the PIN code as well. Then tap on apply to add the gift card balance to your account and ensure the gift card balance has been applied to your total amount. If the gift card does not cover the full amount, you can select an additional payment method, example your credit card or your PayPal, to pay the remaining balance. Then review your order details and tap place order to complete your purchase. And that's how you can pay using your gift card on Shein application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.